All right, Najida. It was so creative. I love your idea. I was so excited to see your, research and sketch. Oh my gosh. I love that. So, Najida, can you explain your, ideas?
Yeah, sorry, I'm outside. There's like a fire, I think, somewhere, so it might get a little loud from the sirens. But I I was trying to think of something that I could like relate to. I guess like first I was looking at maybe like something like film related, like I wanted to maybe make it a TV. But then I was like, wait, I could make it a different type of screen. And then I just had a flashback from when I was younger and I always used to want to draw and I just suck at drawing. And
Mhm.
like Microsoft Paint was just my favorite. So I would open it up, I would draw in it. So I was like kind of coming full circle now that I've made art that I really do like. It would be cool to just kind of put that in the window, you know? So I want to do that. And then like I like that you mentioned because I was thinking about that too. Because I don't want to just have the text randomly somewhere. So I want to put it like you have it. Like I'll find the Windows XP notepad and
Uh-huh.
I'll put the description on the side. And then maybe I'll put like a file icon, like a folder on the
Uh-huh.
desktop, like with the name of the work. But
Mm.
I'll put it also in the bar at the top too.
Mhm. Love that. Love that.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Uh-huh, uh-huh,
Yeah.
uh-huh.
Thank you guys. Yeah, once it popped, I was like, oh my God, this is like kind of, because I wanted to draw, but then I was like, I'm with everything. I want to see how I can kind of like stitch things together because like I said, I really suck at drawing. So part of it for me was just seeing how can I take something that already exists and maybe like kind of put it together. So
Mhm.
thank you guys.
Was brilliant. Love that. All right. So seems like your design already has the strong theme with the layout design together. So I guess you can just start over now. It's really great. And let's see, Edwin. Edwin is not here yet. So let's see Kevin first. Morning, Kevin.
Morning.
Morning. Kevin, can you explain your work a little bit?
I plan on like using like a like a character. I don't really know what character yet, but I'm gonna plan on using a character with like his like back like turn from like the point of view like of a viewer. Like you're gonna see his like back turn, and it's gonna be like gradient in the background, and it's gonna be like blended in the background. So like it's gonna be like he's kind of faded in, and then you're gonna see like the title of it probably in the middle or on the top, and then like a small description on the bottom. So yeah, like
That,
the lady like right there. That
uh-huh.
was like the best description of like uh the back, like the character's back being like from the point of view. So
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Love that. You know what? And I really love this, stick figure drawing. I love that.
Yeah, I can't. I like tried, but like I can't draw like at all.
It's
So
all right. It's all right. It's just design concept. Brainstorming sketch is totally fine. So um, I'm really happy to see this simple sketch. Love that. One thing I just want to share a technique with the Photoshop because maybe most of you will need that skill because when you download some images and some images doesn't have any text or unnecessary object on the image, but like this image some of the image has the title or something unnecessary things on it. So if you want to use that kind of images, I'm gonna let you know how to remove this kind of unnecessary things to remove. Oops. Let me see. Let me show you how to delete it. Mm. Oh, it's really tiny image. All right. So it's not that hard. We've already used the fill, right? Check it. Sorry about that. So first of all, let's just select. So let's just delete this tiny word from the image. So to do that, you have to select this tiny word with. It will be easier to use this tool, object selection tool, and just to select this part by dragging your this word with your mouse. See, it's automatically selected the word. But to make a natural filling, you have to expand the selection with the background. Do you remember how to make the natural fill on the background, right? We have to select some part of the background to make the extension. So this is the same. So to make the expand selection, go to select and go to modify and go to expand. And you will see a tiny window with the expanded selection. You're gonna add maybe 2 or 3 pixels. Let's just add 2 pixels and we will see. And hit OK. See, it has a little bit more selection from the background. And now you can fill it. Go to edit and go to fill. And make sure the content should be content aware. And hit OK. See, and Command D to deselect, and it's gone. So when you see an image you like, but it has some kind of this unnecessary things, then you can delete it with this tool. It's just to delete this first. Go to select and modify, expand, maybe 2, and fill like this. And some of the missing part, you can delete it with the healing tool or spot healing brush tool or patch tool. We did it, right? Like this. So please use that, the skills to remove the unnecessary part from the image. And to make any figure blurry, we did it before. So you can use the filter, and there is a blur gallery and just hit anything you like, then you will see a blur window on the right side, and you can regulate. So this is the first blur option, and you can change it. Next one, like this, iris blur or tilt blur, like that. And also you can regulate the blurriness like this. So, just to use any figure picture, all right? And when you're ready, just, you can hit OK. Any question, Kevin?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
All right. So there are two options to when you're ready to create the title on your finished image. So you can just type the word in the Photoshop, on the image you created in the Photoshop with the new layer, or you can save the image as the PDF version, or you can just link the image and then just link the original image into the Illustrator, and then create the type style a little bit better, because the typography is basically it will be better to use the Illustrator, because the Photoshop has a limited function, but when you use the Illustrator's functions, then you can create a little bit more diverse typography there. Anyway, either way will be fine. Just to choose your preference, Illustrator or Photoshop, to make a typography on your finished image. That's all for Kevin.
Professor?
Hmm?
Wait, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Myris, did you?
Hi. Yeah, I email.
Oh, let me
Yeah.
check your email.
I was wondering if you wanted me to post it in like the discussions or something.
Oh, of course, we can talk about it. Oh,
Yeah, right.
yep. All right.
Let's see.
Yeah, let's see. Jasnia, can you explain your about your research a little bit?
I don't know. It's just it's just the kind of art that I like. I like a lot of split images and a lot of, I don't really know how to say the word. I have a hard time pronouncing the word.
Mhm.
I don't know. I just like yeah, I don't know. It was random. I don't really know.
It's all right. Sometimes designers has the images in their head, and they cannot really say they cannot really describe what they want to do. Yeah, it's because maybe probably you're the um, you know using a visual language person. Yeah, so I do understand. So but you have a strong idea sketch, so it's okay. I totally when I saw this sketch, I got it. I got it.
Okay.
So you want to make the spiral on the background, and then add some objects with the kind of the abstract images, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And then you put the letters to make the portfolio in the spiral in the background, right?
Yeah.
It seems like this one is upside down face, and this one is, it looks like an eye. No.
Yeah. It's supposed to be like
Uh-huh.
it's supposed to look different from, you know.
It looks very creative.
Thank you.
And I thought like when you design the layout, maybe this one will be cover design, and then probably you can add the this part of this spiral background for the layout design. And then maybe you can pick some of the images to decorate the each page a little bit, not that too much, because we have to
Okay.
focus on your artworks. So I really love that. So here's my suggestion. Maybe you can create this spiral image in Illustrator first, and then save that image as PNG, PNG version, and then take that image to the Photoshop to use that on the spiral image for the background, and then you can create this little creatures now with the other pictures. So let's just use this picture to show you. Like this. So where is it? Wow. Just okay. All right, Miles. I will check the model room. All right, so for example, if you want to use this background, the abstract background, just to find any silhouette, and then copy and paste on it. And let me just reduce this image's opacity a little bit lower to check the location. And I like this part for this profile. And now let me just going back to the opacity as 100%. And select the object and turn this off. Then you can now have this image from the background image, and copy, Command C, and paste in a new working file. Oops. You should be activate the background layer and copy it and paste it like this. So probably you can use that function to create your cover design. All right. Any question?
No, no questions. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's see. Barry's research. What's this? Oh, Barry, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hey, good morning.
So tired.
Yeah, sounds like so tired. You okay?
Nah, I just got so much work to do. That's why.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
I have a research paper,
Oh,
and then I have another portfolio
mhm.
for another class.
Uh,
So it's yeah. He wants us to make a website like OD.
oh, really? Oh, this is
Yeah,
so much fun.
like you know.
I love that.
Oh my God, bro. And the papers due like Sunday, but or maybe Tuesday, one of the two.
Yes, and end of semester, always crazy.
Yeah, 4 pages, and I haven't even started the one.
Hang in there, Barry. All right, so can you explain your work a little bit?
Honestly, I I just searched up something. I like colors, so I just picked one of the warm colors I saw.
Mhm.
And I used that image you showed in class. I just put a random thing.
Mm,
So the little wave thing is supposed to look like the cover above it, I guess.
mhm.
Yeah, and then it's pretty much all over the place, and I think the pattern just goes on. Yeah, this cover right above it. That's what I was going for, and then I'll probably use like a warm color, orange or something. I don't know.
I see.
Yeah.
So, for you, let me just download this picture first. So my suggestion is, let me just, so let's see this cover design page, a new file, and then if you choose this image for the the cover design, you can select this design and copy it and paste it. And then just locate wherever you want. And then you're gonna save this, the background image. And I want you to I want you to open that image in the Illustrator after you're done with the the background design, and you can make this image in InDesign. Well, I'm sorry, in Illustrator, not InDesign. So draw this with the pad, and draw each objects, and just fill in the color. And also for this typography style, it will be easier to use the Illustrator. So make the background with the Photoshop first, and then open it in the Illustrator and finish the rest of the decoration part with the typography. Then it's done, I guess. And also, when you keep this background design, you can use that design for the layout design in InDesign. When you create each page's design.
Yeah.
Yep. So it's not gonna be hard.
Okay.
Yeah. Any question?
Nah.
Not now, right?
Yeah. Nah.
Yeah, you can just bring any image, I mean questions or concerns. You can
Yeah.
ask me by email or you can ask me in the next meeting.
Okay.
When you
When is it due?
do
Next meeting, right?
next Thursday.
Okay.
But you have to finish the first addition by next Tuesday.
Okay.
So I can give some feedbacks to finish it.
I get it. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on to design. Design. When I saw this, cover design, it looks so elegant. I love that. You're so good at that kind of, the typography design. I really love that.
Thanks.
Can you explain a little bit about your design?
Yeah, so I looked at a few examples and I guess I wanted to look like a coloring book sort of. Um but I'm gonna add color, but have it be a coloring book and the inside or the middle be just either plain, or hopefully I could get the pages to either look like they're ripping apart
Wow.
or like maybe they're on top of each other or something. But plain in the middle, but on the outside, a few of these designs.
Mhm. Love that. So my suggestion is, if you want to make it easier, just to find any like this types of simple designs, and then you can just use it as the basic background design and add some decoration by drawing Illustrator, or these are just a simple background design. So you can also draw with the path in Illustrator yourself. It's up to you.
Okay.
Sometimes it will be better to just create yourself, compared to the searching some right images.
Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. Like pick my own colors and
Yeah.
shapes and things.
Mhm. So if you find any, correct or right background, the images, then you can just use it. Otherwise, you can draw it because you have a strong drawing skills. I don't worry about it.
Thanks. I do have a question about the portfolio. I don't know if you want me to wait till the end, but it's basically like about the format. Should it be, I guess, like similar to the one we did to the 8-page book that we did?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Should it just be like that?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. And Xperia, can you hear me? Oh, now you can hear me, right? All right. So Xperia, can you explain? I'm sorry. About your work.
So I was thinking something more simple. So for the background is going to be the galaxy you're hovering over right now.
Mhm.
But I was going to darken it a little bit, I guess. And then for the center
Mhm.
is going to say like the first image is gonna say report, and then sideways over the R, it would a smaller text. It would say final,
Mhm.
and the word final would be like in a bright white, while the report
Ah,
would, yeah, like that. And then the report would be more colored towards the galaxy background before I darken it, so it'll be the center focus of the cover, I guess.
uh, Expert, I've tried to open this portfolio attachment. What is this? I cannot see it. It's just open. When I open it, it looks like this. What was that? Is that in one of the image, one of the reference image? Xphere, can you hear me?
You
Is
that
it
was supposed to be another image. I think it didn't.
just the image? All right, it's all right. You already, you've already explained everything, so it's all right. So it's totally fine to use a galaxy image. It looks amazing. You found really a great picture with the high resolution. Oh, everyone, when you use any images, please use high resolution images, okay? To make the clear and clean design. So one thing I have to mention it. So the color match is really important. So if, for example, if you're using this background image, is the color basic. This color is basically orangish or warm color, right? And if you are using this pattern on the galaxy image, then this color is basically bluish, right? So so technically the colors themes are slightly different. There are lots of range of the blue color as well. There are warm blue and cold blue colors. So you have to match that kind of colors connections between the images. So how to regulate the colors, right? In the Photoshop, you can regulate the colors at the bottom here, the hue, saturation, or color balance, to use that properties to regulate the colors, right? Like this. And I want you to match the color theme as well. Does it make sense, Xphere? Yeah, and otherwise, your idea is amazing. I love that. And I really love this kind of different viewpoints alignment of the typos. I love that. It looks very I don't know, for me it looks very creative. All right, and last one, Myris. Myris, can you explain about your work?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay. So I was just I think what I want to do is make like a collage or something, or maybe I explain it at the bottom. These are a bunch of digital drawings I did from 2018 onward. And I think I want to make a collage of these or something.
You did?
Huh?
You did? Just collage. Okay. I heard like you made it.
Oh, did I make it? I didn't make it yet, the collage. No.
All right. Anyway, So, oh,
Yeah, I mentioned,
ah,
yeah,
love that. So you're gonna make a collage like with this
yeah,
drawings, right?
yeah.
Love that. So it's gonna be all black and white, or are you gonna add some point color?
I can grayscale them. I mean, yeah. Some of these are not done. Like these I haven't finished those yet. They're like for a comic that I was trying to do, like a little joke comic, but I never got the time to finish them. I maybe I'll be able to finish them sometime soon.
Mm,
And so I'm torn between doing a collage or a comic. I don't know.
love that.
But some of these are for my other art classes. If you don't mind, I apologize.
It's all right. It's all right. So you're not gonna use just the original work. You're gonna make a collage work, so it's fun.
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you did. These are all digitally done. Oh, okay. Oh, you did.
Oh, I did these?
No,
Is that what you're asking? Or
no, I just read this. What you.
oh, okay. Yeah, yeah.
All right. Okay. So
Alright.
we will see. Um, I think maybe you can add just one color for it as the point color, but I'm not sure yet because I'm not sure how the image is going to be look like. So
Okay.
we will see. Like this, just all the black and white, all the grayscale image with the
Mhm.
one point color like that. So
Oh, yeah.
make a strong something message. So that's
That-
my idea, but think about it.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Mhm.
Right. Thank you.
Love that. All right. Maybe you can write the titles for each project with this kind of handwriting will be great, I guess.
Sure. My handwriting's not that great, but I'll try.
And maybe you can put the titles and the descriptions in a very freestyle like a note taking.
Yeah.
Mhm. Love that. Very good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So if you didn't post your research and the cover design yet, then please send it to me by email directly so I can give you some advice as soon as possible. And also today, by tonight, please try to make your cover design with everyone's comments. So please create your cover design and try to make the layer design as well by tonight. Any question?
Yeah, sorry, by layer